welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So, as you can see from the description below, yes, we're a little late this month, but I finally have my Ipsy bag. I don't know why it came so late. I did do an add-on, but I did an add-on last month and got it super early, so I'm not sure. But nevertheless, we're going to dive in and see what we got this month. I love Ipsy. For those of you that do not know, Ipsy is a $10 monthly subscription where you receive 5 beauty items, and they can be sample size, deluxe sample size, or even sometimes full size items. They had it taped, so I had to cut it. So, I know, yeah, okay. So my add-on was this, which is kind of squished, but that's okay. Coal of Honor, and it is, I believe, from Sugar Cosmetics. And this was just a full-size eyeliner. The reason I added this on was because I love, like, the retractable type eyeliners, and that's what this was. And it was $3. So, for $3, yeah. So there's that guy. Now, as far as my regular bag, let's get in here. Oh, and we have stuff on the outside. Sometimes when stuff doesn't fit in the bag, they do put it on the outside, so we'll just set that to the side for now. The bag, I think, is so cute this month. It is little lemons, and it does have the little ribbon tag here that says Ipsy. So that is super cute. And they have started, which I think is amazing, putting a little card with your items in it. So it tells you about the items you received, which I think is fantastic that they've started to do that. So we're going to start with the item that was outside of my bag. And, oh, it's actually 2 items. Oh, sheet mask. I love sheet mask. Yay. Okay. So this is the Wong Jisoo. I don't know if I said that correctly, but I gave it a shot, right? The Broccoli Plumping Mask and Red Fruits Brightening Mask. This set has not 1, but 2 superfood infused masks you'll love. The Red Fruits mask is made with acerola and red love apple to brighten up even out dull skin. And the broccoli mask is packed with vitamin C, beta carotene, and broccoli extract to plump and hydrate. Awesome! Sorry, I get very excited on Ipsy Day because I love my Ipsy, and they have just been doing such an amazing job the last few months with matching the profiles and sending things that, you know, I just loved. So, 2 thumbs up for Ipsy, like 7 thumbs up really, but all right. So we have, and these are both vegan. So we have the Broccoli Plumping Mask. I've never had a broccoli mask, so I'm actually kind of excited for this. And then we have the Red Fruits Brightening Mask. So yay for 2 sheet masks. So we are off to a good start. And then we'll just pull from the bag. All right, so we got an Ico Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. And we all know about these Ico liquid liners. This is a travel size in carbon black. I will be setting this to the side for a future giveaway just because I don't really use liquid liners. That was part of the reason I added on this one, because that's the type of liner I typically go for or reach for. So one of you guys will see this in a future giveaway. And then let's just grab something. Oh, yay! I got another brush. I've been getting a brush like every month, and I'm loving that. And this is from Billion Dollar Brushes, so like Billion Dollar Brows, that company. And it is a fan brush, and it actually feels really nice. So here we have this guy. This brand's known for high quality brow products, but their brush game is strong too. This baby's densely packed charcoal infused bristles have antimicrobial powers to keep bacteria away while blending powder products effortlessly. Awesome. And it's like soft, but yeah, it's like for a fan brush, it is really dense. So I'm excited to use this guy. Love getting brushes. So technically, that eyeliner was travel size, but I mean, obviously 2 sheet mask, that's full size. The brush is full size. So let's just see what else we got this month. And this, ooh, I'm so excited. Okay. Woohoo! I know this is a fairly new product, and it is from Tarte, which if you guys have watched, you know is one of my favorite brands. This is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. This brand new primer is loaded with jojoba and grapeseed extract to moisturize and keep your skin hydrated for 12 full hours, and coconut to smooth your skin. Plus, it helps your makeup look better and last longer. And like all of Tarte's fab formulas, this one's vegan and cruelty-free. Yay! And I've been eyeing this too, so I've wanted to try it. This is actually a really good size to try. It's 10 mLs. So, I mean, this definitely is multiple uses. So, I'm very happy about that guy. And then our final product is from Laura Sanchez Moods Eyeshadow in Chocolate Shake. This Colombian makeup artist was Nick's Face's 2016 Beauty Vlogger of the Year, and her brand is all about bold color and self-expression. This highly pigmented matte finish reddish brown eyeshadow is ultra creamy and blends easily to set your creative urges free. Alright, so the packaging is cute. I can already tell you that I will probably set this to the side as well for a giveaway. Most of you know that I don't really reach for single shadows like this. But again, the packaging is super cute. And then there we have the product. So it is a matte brown. It looks like a very pretty matte brown. I'm not going to swatch it. It does look like, I think that's just something on there. But, so I'm going to set this to the side for a giveaway as well. Oh, and it's magnetic. I like that. That's cute packaging for like a single shadow. So that is super cute. So this and the Ico liquid liner will both be set to the side for a giveaway. So those were 2 of our products. And then we got the $1 billion brushes fan brush, which like I said, does feel very, very nice. And I'm so excited about this. The base tape Tarte face primer. I am super, super excited to try this. Like I said, I know this is a new product and I've been eyeing it. So yay. And then the broccoli plumping sheet mask and the red fruits brightening mask. So I am super excited for 2 sheet mask, the brush, this, y'all, I'm super excited about. And then the 2 products for you guys. And then, like I said, I did do an add-on with this from Sugar Cosmetics. And the color is blackout. Let me just see how it... Oh, okay, so that feels really creamy. I should have done that earlier. I apologize. And it obviously is very, very dark. So that is our Ipsy for April 2019. I know we're almost at the end of the month, but hey, it's when it got here. And again, I think the bag is super cute. The lemons inside is like a mint green. So I love that you get the bag every month. So like I said, Ipsy is $10 a month. You do receive 5 items, and again, they can be sample size, deluxe sample, or even full size. So I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. Don't forget, we do have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on. That link will be below as well. So if you have not already, do go ahead and head over and enter that. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below telling me how your day is. I love hearing from you guys. Again, I hope you all are having a fabulous day, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye!